Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever needed to print address labels straight from a Google Sheets list, maybe for holiday cards, invitations, or even just regular mail, you know how frustrating and time-consuming it can be to make them look neat and professional. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Foxy Labels add-on in Google Sheets to quickly and easily print your own custom labels, right from your spreadsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set everything up and get those labels ready to stick on your envelopes in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you already have the Foxy Labels add-on installed in your Google Sheets. If you don't have it yet, you can find it by going to Extensions in the menu, then to Add-ons and searching for Foxy Labels. Just take a moment to install it. It's free and safe to use, and trust me, it will make the whole process a breeze. If you already have Foxy Labels, you're a step ahead, so let's move on. Head over to the Extensions menu at the top of Google Sheets. Hover your mouse over Foxy Labels and then select Create Labels from the side menu that pops out. Now this is where the magic starts. Foxy Labels is going to walk you through setting up your label sheet, but a lot of people get tripped up at this stage, so let's slow down for a second. You'll see a prompt asking you to choose a label template. For standard address labels that fit most home printers, like for Avery label sheets, template 5160 is the way to go. Think of 5160 as that classic three-column label layout you'll find in most office supplies stores. It's the default for a reason. It works for most mailings and looks clean and organized. After you've picked the 5160 template, you'll notice a section for merging your fields. Merging is really just combining your spreadsheet columns like name and address info into each label so you don't have to type each one out individually. For this step, make sure you select the columns that correspond to all the info you want on each label. That's usually full name, address, city, state, and zip code. If your columns have slightly different names, just do your best to match them up. This part is crucial, otherwise you might end up with blank spaces or missing information. Now before you hit Create Labels, take a quick pause here to customize the look of your labels. Foxy Labels lets you change fonts, adjust sizes, or even tweak the spacing. If you want your labels to stand out, maybe for a wedding invitation or a special event, don't be afraid to get creative. Add a little style to wow your recipients. On the other hand, if you just need simple, no-frills labels, that's perfectly fine too. Once you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and click Create Labels. This might take a few seconds as Foxy Labels generates a new Google Doc with your labels all arranged and ready to go. Don't worry if it takes a moment, it's just making sure everything lines up perfectly. When the new document opens, double-check that all your information looks right. Sometimes you might notice a spacing issue or a label that didn't merge quite as expected. If you spot anything off, just head back and adjust your settings. But if everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Hit Print. Make sure your label sheets are loaded correctly in your printer and watch as your custom labels start coming to life. And that's it, you've just streamlined what could have been a huge manual task into a few easy clicks with Foxy Labels. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment if you have any questions or need help troubleshooting. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward, tech-friendly guides like this one. Thanks so much for watching and happy label printing.